Solve means to work out the value of the letter. In this case, I'm working out the value of x. My first step is I'm going to expand each of my single brackets separately. When expanding a single bracket, we multiply the term directly outside a single bracket by each term directly inside. In this case, 5 times x will simplify to give us 5x, and 5 multiplied by positive 7 will give us positive 35. Expanding my second single bracket, I multiply the term directly outside. In this case, the term directly outside is negative 2. You must include the sign. And I multiply by each term directly inside the single bracket. Well, negative 2 multiplied by x will give us negative 2 lots of x. And negative 2 multiplied by negative 1, well, we know a negative multiplied by negative will give us a positive answer. So negative 2 times negative 1 will give us plus 2. And on the right-hand side, my equation is still equal to 97. Collecting like terms on the left-hand side of my equation, here I've got 5 lots of x, subtract 2 lots of x, which will simplify to give us positive 3 lots of x. Collecting my number terms on the left-hand side, in this case I've got positive 35, add 2. Well, 35 add 2, that will simplify to give us positive 37. And on the right-hand side, my equation is still equal to 97. As I'm solving for the letter x, I want to get x by itself. So my first step is to eliminate the positive 37 by moving it across to the right-hand side of my equation by doing the opposite. The opposite of add 37, therefore, is to subtract 37 from both sides of my equation to keep it balanced. On the left-hand side, we know that positive 37, subtract 37 will cancel. That will leave us simply with 3x on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, I've got 97, subtract 37, which will simplify to give us 60. I know in algebra 3x means 3 multiplied by x, because a number in front of a letter, we know the sign means to multiply. As I want to get the value of single x, the opposite of times by 3 is I'm now going to divide both sides of my equation by 3. On the left-hand side, I know 3 over 3 will cancel to leave us with single x, which is exactly what I wanted. And on the right-hand side, I know 60 divided by 3 will give us 20.
Your turn drop solution in chat. Thanks.